Good morning from Symbia Logistics. It's 5:20 a.m. It's alright. We're unloading. They have a restroom, plenty of space to maneuver, doing everything fast. So I'm leaving a good review on this company. So I don't know where we'll be going later. So stick around. California, and here is Reno, Nevada. Very scenic view. Yeah, I have to be careful while driving. Right. Yeah, looks cool. So went through scales. Now off to truck parking area. Around 13 minutes to drive. Here is beautiful California, of course. Here and on left there's a lake. I don't know if the camera sees it, but I see it through the trees. Go a little bit up. This rock slide area. Careful. Right, yep. The camera should see it. So arrived in beautiful rest area. We'll see what's cooking here. So it's sunny day, not too warm, but yeah, it looks beautiful. Nice pond. Now we'll head somewhere else. I saw waterfalls, but I think I could not access that place. So down that way there's a lake. So that's the same as I found before, a Donner Lake. Yeah, from this place you can't see too much. Next time when I will return, I will park there and then head towards that place. Should be a waterfall there, but here I'll try go that direction. We'll save some. Alright, going through the stones. The road upwards look like this, but it's cool and it's fresh air. That's how it looks. Trucking is not that bad when you have time, huh? You have time to climb rocks. I see a normal way here. Yeah, there's a pond. Let's go there. Now I can't say top of the world. I made it. But behind me there's even higher mountain. I want to climb that one. Oh, yeah, it's incredible USA, incredible California. Alright, heading back to the truck. What a contrast. I'm with the t-shirt, but found some snow. So that's mountains for you guys. Right, heading back. The road looks like this. I don't know where to go. We should just do it. Alright, wanted some more exercise and climbed this. That's a little bit closer to there. I'll do it next time maybe. I need to grab some water. The elevation gets higher and higher. Oh, yeah, but made it safely here. I saw one animal, but he hit quickly. He was actually almost showing me the way how to climb this rock. Right. So you see the trucks there? On the other side, of course, there is my truck, and that's the direction I'm going to. Yeah. Maybe next time I could buy a drone and fly it in here. There are some restrictions for drones and flying them, but maybe I could do it here. We'll see. Alright. We'll save some minutes for future content. It's not over. This trip is not over. Alright. See. Alright, so stopped again. That's my truck. And I tried to climb that rock. And it should be an amazing view. Halfway there. Thought it'd be easier. You can see it's an even amazing view from here. Yeah, I came from that way. That's a highway. Right, made it. There is a lake. Could be better view from this boulder, but I'm not risking to climb in it. Maybe some guys can do it. But anyways, what a view. Scenic, iconic. Wish I could see everything from that mountain. Could be even better. But I don't know how to get there with the truck. Now let's go back. Alright, didn't take my head, but I don't care. What I care is look at damn this. I see the dam there. Alright, so from another side, I don't know, it's maybe a 10,000 feet drop. It's a fall to the death. Yeah, baby. Sacramento, actually leaving Sacramento. I see the mountains now, off to Salinas. By the way, it was the first time for me in Sacramento. Right. Bad news, guys, bad news. I have 2 hours and 40 minutes to drive to the spot to pick up, but look at this. Going below 5 miles per hour or even stopping.